We have our new Jewels series from Westalee Design, and today we're going to work with our 1/2-inch Strand of Pearls jewels with a 7.5-inch strand. So each of these templates gives you 2 sizes in one template. It's important that you use the rotating pinhole that is opposite of the design that you want to stitch. So we're going to work with this side up here. That'll give us a 7.5-inch strand, and we'll locate our pin right onto this pinhole here. So how this is going to work is we want to mark out on our fabric 16 points using the 8-point crosshair. I'm on my rotating pin, and you'll see that the center point falls right on the marked out lines. There's also a baseline here on the template that lines up as well with the marked crosshair lines. So we'll start with our foot here on this array, and we'll go from here all the way around to here and pause. And then we're going to rotate the template and then complete the circle and repeat and go all the way around.